Hi, hello, Dr. Stock viewers. Welcoming you all to my new video. In this video, we're going to detailedly see about a special kind of an investment scenario in which we can earn money, like a kind of a dividend money where we can aim to earn for a monthly basis. So this is as per your needs. For example, you want 5,000 for a month or 10,000 for a month. How much would be the capital I will be deploying for that particular stock, and how to make a portfolio depend on that is what we are going to see. So in this kind of strategy, it is a kind of a I won't say it is a strategy as it's not a trading. It's going to be investing kind of idea. So in this kind of scenario, what we'll be seeing in detail is how are we going to make a portfolio and how are we going to change this setup accordingly. So neither we are not going to invest only in one stock. We are going to invest in more than one stock. So it is better to have minimum three and maximum of as much as you like the constant dividend payers as of now. So I've started this for my own wealth development for some 3 months back. Okay, I wanted to share this info to all the people who are here with good money, and they can also follow this as a kind of a diversification in their portfolio. This is mainly to diversify the portfolio. That is the reason we are having this setup. Okay, we will go with that one by one shortly. Fine. To start with, what is dividend? So right now you can see some of the stocks in my screen, so which are having the setup. So I am going to give you all the screener material as well as the all the basic things which need to scrutinize the stocks. I will come to that part later. So before that, we will go and see what is dividend. Okay. So simple learning, you can use Gemini for learning whatever you want. So this is the Google AI which is available for free as of now. You can type anything and you can just check the informations whatever you like. Okay, so before moving on, so what is dividend? Dividend is nothing but a part of income where a company is willing to share to its shareholders, like a kind of a profit on running the business. As a profit making business, the business is going to share you some amount, kind of a shareholder money, which will be disposed to each person who are holding that stocks. So that is called as dividend. Okay, a kind of a additional income where a stockholder can get as a benefit of a ownership of the stock. We can say in that way. Okay. So now moving on. So how to scrutinize these stocks? Directly, you can go for screeners. So as many of you are aware, screeners create new screen, and I have my keywords already taken. I am just pasting it. Okay. So it's nothing but I am looking out for a dividend yield of more than 7%. So which is always like our savings account bracket, which the percentage of money they are giving in the market. With additionally, dividend payout will be less than 100. Okay, so this is fine. So as of now, we have got six stocks. Fine. If you are reducing this to five, one more will be coming. Your not one more. Some others will be coming. In this, we have some other parties. Some other parties of the PSU parties in India will be coming. Okay, so now moving on. So how to pick up all these stocks and how to move on? So that is my next category of things. Okay, now you can prefer Coal India, you can prefer BPCL, HPCL, IOCL, ONGC. ONGC is coming under close to 5% dividend yield. So let me take this things as of now in a new notepad. Yeah, Coal India 6.63, IOCL 8.68, BPCL, HPCL, BPCL. சொல்லுப்பா. EPCL. One nine. CPCL. CL 9.24. Yeah, correct. Point two three. Okay. Now I have taken the list here completely. So which are the stocks which are giving how many percentage? So these are the dividend yield percentage for different companies. So majority are oil marketing companies. Followed by that, it is a Coal India. That is what we have as of now. Now, what is the amount we want to get as a dividend yield for a year? You can take in your way. So what is the easiest way to calculate that? I will show that. Thousand by dividend. Multiplied by 100. So dividend in 10,000 divided by 9.24 into 100 to back 8,225. Okay, divided by stock price. Which is CPCL is 595 now. 595, 182 stocks. 82, 82 stocks. So 595 into 9.24. 55 rupees. 55 into 55, 55 into 182. Okay. Now, now I have derived a formula for how much stocks you have to buy as per your amount as a dividend. Okay, amount required as dividend divided by dividend yield of the counter into 100 will give you how much money you have to invest in that stock. Okay, plus additionally this value, the final value, need to be divided by the stock price, so which will give you how many stocks you have to buy for that. Now, how to choose the stocks specifically? On going directly, the dividend yield highest will give you the highest dividend. So nothing like that. You have to watch that counter history of dividend for the previous 5 years. You have to strictly watch the dividend yield of that counter for the past 5 years. For the past 5 years, the dividend yield need to be watched. That is one clear point. And minimum 3 years is also fine. Not absolutely 5 years. 3 years is also fine. Companies like PSU banks, PSU oil marketing sector, and anything in related with the government related things are giving a correct and accurate bonus. You can go for it. Sorry, accurate dividend. You can go for it. So very simple. As of now, I require 10,000, and I am targeting to put that money in only CPCL. It's your wish. You can diversify the portfolio with 4 companies also, not an issue. It is all how you want to make it. For example, you want to diversify, you can make 2,500 as 4 parts with 4 companies also, you can do it. So I am doing it with the single company. It's not a meaning that you also need to follow the same. But still, whatever I am doing is for my purpose, and whatever is your requirement, you can get this knowledge and you can do it accordingly as per your need. Very simple. Total amount required as dividend is 10,000 divided by the dividend yield of the counter. 9.24 is the dividend yield into 100, which is giving me approximately 1,08,225. And divide by that will be the stock price, which is 595. So I have to invest only 182 stocks to achieve 10,000 as a dividend for me. So 180 is two stocks. If I am buying in CPCL, so I am getting a dividend of around very close to 9.24. 24 is the dividend deal. That means the stock is giving around 55 rupees as a dividend. So that is what the video is about. As of now, you can take this as an point of portfolio diversification, and accordingly you can act. Okay. So moving on with the tax on the dividend yield. Okay. Only 5,000 rupees is free of tax if you are a salaried employee in India. More than that, okay, more than that, whatever is coming, more than 5,000, whatever is coming will attract 10% dividend yield. 10% will minimum 10% is like, sorry, for 5,000 rupees there is no dividend, there is no tax on dividend, and post that whatever money you are earning through dividend will be taxed as per your tax slab. For example, you are in 10% tax slab or 20% or 30%, whatever the tax slab you are in, that tax slab your dividend is counted, and accordingly your tax is minus reduced accordingly. So how to see this screener is very simple. You can use this code and you can run this screener. Additionally, you can go to Google and you, if you want, you can verify these stocks. These are the stocks which are available for the dividend yield as well as in trend line. Okay, you can use this as well. The keyword for that is the keyword for that is as follows. Just a moment. Yeah, high dividend yield stocks trend line. If you give this in Google, you will be getting this. So this all is what I have for today. Have a great day ahead, and have a great weekend, and have a great new year coming. Enjoy, enjoy. Thanks for all your support. Keep watching and share this with your friends who are in need of portfolio change at this point of time. Thank you. Bye for now. See you all. Bye.